Hello. So today I'm finally defrosting my freezer after several attempts for over 2 years, almost 2 years now. I've been trying to defrost this freezer. Sometimes I use spoon to take this off here. So but there's this method and strategy I just realized on how to defrost my freezer. So I have just taken off everything from my freezer. It's everything in my freezer. It's quite a big deep freezer. Yeah. Excluding. So let's get started. So I've just boiled some hot water. And I'll show you guys what I'll be doing. So we're just putting like a rag just to prevent excess direct contact of heat. And that's be taken off. Or maybe when we're done. Yeah, I have a small pot that I will bring as well. That small pot. Okay. Okay. So we're getting the hot water. Woohoo! Yeah. The hot water is coming. Whew. Wow. The one in kettle is ready. I put that small pot. So that's pot number 1. The other one is still boiling. It's amazing. Woo! Wow!
30 minutes.
Up to 30 minutes and everything is... What if my phone fall into this water?
I can't believe my eyes.
Wow.
This is like...
So let's just clean up.
Yeah.
Sorted all my foodstuffs. So everything will be going inside. I need to sort that dry fish. So